Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to use BeaconLink, which is call without mobile signal, on this device. So before we start, I wanted to mention that this feature works within range of 10 to 200 meters. You can use this BeaconLink feature when you, for example, lose cellular bars, but you need to find a friend in the same building. In this case, this is perfect option to get in touch with your friend. So let's open settings and let's go to mobile network section. Let's go to BeaconLink. And now let's enable it. Additionally, you can go to allow calls and messages from. You can select your contacts only, or you can set option all, and that means that you'll see all people nearby. So under the section people nearby, you want to you want to tap on the friend that you want to get in touch with. You want to keep refreshing until you see the person that you want to contact, but please, I forgot to mention that you want to that is crucial, that you want to enable Bluetooth, and your friend as well should turn on Bluetooth on their device. Now when your friend's device appears in the list, you want to tap their name, and then call request will be sent to their phone. They will receive a notification that will look like a standard phone call, and when they accept that notification, you can talk just like normal voice call. So yeah, I think that's all. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.